How to fix WhatsApp your device storage is full problem. So if you want to fix WhatsApp your device storage is full problem, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down, go with apps. Under apps, go with manage apps. And from here, you need to search for WhatsApp. After searching for WhatsApp, you need to go with clear data, which is on the bottom right, and then tap on clear cache and tap on OK. Now go and allow all the app permissions. After that, go back and open up your Play Store. From here, you need to go with search and search for WhatsApp. After searching, if you have any updates under your WhatsApp, you need to just simply tap on update and update your WhatsApp Messenger. After updating, your problem will be fixed. Or the next thing you need to do is open up your settings and search for storage, which will be under about phone. Tap on storage again, and under storage you need to scroll down, go with free up storage, and here you can go and delete the applications that you're not using or the files that you're not using. And here on the bottom, as you can see, that you will have WhatsApp Cleaner. You need to tap on it, and here you can go and free up some images, some videos from WhatsApp in order to free up some space. Or you can also uninstall some applications that you're not using. Go with uninstall apps and go and select the applications that you're not using. After selecting the applications, tap on uninstall, which is on the bottom, and tap on OK, and that's it. In this way, you'll be able to fix WhatsApp your device storage is full problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.